Did you like it, driving on my tractor?
Yeah, it's a bit petite, so...
We are Bram and Simon. It's an exciting week because my mini tractor will be arriving. I've been waiting for what felt like months, but I'm finally able to mow some grass. In the meanwhile, the renovation of our farmhouse is progressing very fast.
We can take this ride wherever it goes. As long as you're with me, I feel at home.
Good morning.
It's a very good morning because it's a new week. It is very early because before we can do anything this week, we first have French lesson.
But then
the new week starts, so the mini tractor will be arriving.
Yeah.
So I can't wait.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Yeah, and?
No, that's not my job. So
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It's time for new windows.
Yeah,
Rain is coming in.
from under the window.
Yeah.
Time for new ones, but we have to wait a bit.
it's finally here.
Yeah.
And to be honest, for a second I thought he wouldn't come today because we had an appointment for this morning. Then he called and he said it will be 4 o'clock. And it was 4 o'clock, it was 5 o'clock, then it was almost 6 o'clock, and then he was here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it took a long time, but it's finally here.
Yeah. And we tested it already?
Yeah, we've tried everything and tested if everything is working, but it looks very good. So, I'm very happy.
Yeah, you look like a little child on the tractor.
And now it's a bummer that it's raining
Yeah.
this hard because, yeah, you want to mow the grass when it's not raining and not wet. So, I don't know if I can mow tomorrow, but
We will see.
we will see. I'm very happy it's finally here.
Yeah.
And of course, we chose the blue one.
Yeah.
The green one was very big and the red one was very old. It's finally time.
Yeah. It stopped raining.
Yeah, it was a busy day today. We had to arrange a couple of things and then I wanted to
Mow.
and then it started raining very hard.
Yeah.
Now it's sunny again, so I'm going to try.
Yeah. Hurry up before it rains again.
Yeah. But you are doing a great job too. Ooh,
Yeah.
I bet.
Oh.
We are making progress in the bathroom, so that's nice.
Yeah.
Another wall done, so
Day number 4?
4, I think, yeah.
Yeah.
So I think 2 more days and then we have, well, maybe 3 more days and then we have done what we can before the windows arrive. So
Yeah. So how was your tractor experience?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really liked it. We need some weight
Yeah.
on the front because I almost
Fell over?
fell over, but I managed and it was great fun.
That's
So,
nice.
Yeah.
So good choice.
perfect choice.
Yeah?
Of course, we would have liked the green one,
Yeah.
as everyone suggested.
The green tractor was very big, but
Yeah.
our budget wasn't, so...
No. And we actually wanted a small one.
Yeah.
So we didn't want a big one because we wanted to use it for the garden and everything. So we wanted
Yeah,
petite. For the bigger things, we need another thing. I'm very happy.
that's nice.
It's finally getting warmer, but now it's storming. And now we don't have power anymore.
No, I think there's like a tree or a branch on a power cable.
Yeah. I think I'm going to drive around and see if there's a power cable broken and if it's only us. And then we will see how long it takes.
Yeah. We heard that it can take up to a couple of days, but I don't hope so.
I even heard stories about 2 weeks without power. The good thing is we do have Starlink and we do have the van. So even if power is off for a couple of days, we will survive.
Yeah, we will manage.
So I drove around for a while, but I didn't see anything strange apart from the branch hanging on the cable in front of our house. I removed the branch, but I think the only thing we can do now is wait for the power to come back on. I don't know.
So power is back on?
Yeah, pretty quick.
Yeah, I think 2 hours or something like that.
Yeah.
So hopefully it will stay on because it's storming quite a bit.
Yeah, but it's just in time for our workout.
Yeah, so we have some music, that's nice.
Yeah. What happened here?
Well, it rained so incredibly hard. I don't know what happened, but somehow it came through the roof. Yeah, that's something for tomorrow, but...
It came through the ventilation holes you drilled.
Yeah, but also through the spots. So we have to check it tomorrow. Apparently the power problems are a bit bigger than we thought because the power went off last night and then it went back on again and now it's off again. And it is off for a couple of hours, so I think they need a lot more time for things.
Maybe a whole cable is broken.
Yeah,
or...
maybe they have to replace a whole cable or I don't know, but we will manage a couple of hours without power.
Yeah. And our solar panels are doing great, so...
Yeah. Today we're going to fix our mower. It was very cheap because it was, well, broken. So we're going to weld it again.
And maybe we can try and sharpen the blades a little bit.
Oh yeah, that should be nice.
If there's something left of the blades.
Yeah, let's see.
So in the end we do need power.
Yeah, for the welding. But we're going to use the van. So we will see if that's...
Even possible.
Yeah, so let's try.
Looks pretty nice for an amateur.
Yeah, I thought so.
Power is back on.
Yeah, we have power again. Took like 4 hours.
But we've got power again.
Yeah, so that's
we're,
nice.
So we're not going to use the...
Van anymore.
No.
No.
The household battery has done its job.
Yeah.
Now it can recharge.
Yeah. Now we're going to use our normal power.
Is it done?
Only have to put it back together and then we can try it. I'm happy with the result.
We have not done everything. There are some holes left, but
Yeah,
for the next year it will be okay.
yeah, it will do fine.
What a difference!
A lot less noise. So I think mission accomplished.
Did you like it, driving on my tractor?
Yeah, it's a bit petite. So I just wait for something bigger.
Okay.
But it is cute. So now we only have to paint the newly welded spots.
Yeah.
So that it won't rust. And then I hope we can mow for a couple of years.
Yeah.
This should be nice. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. You're busy with your favorite hobby?
It's perfect weather
Yeah.
to chainsaw.
It's not cold, it's not warm.
No, and there were a couple of trees that we trimmed, so the truck with all our stuff could go over our driveway. But now it was not balanced anymore, so
No.
I had to cut away some big branches so it won't fall over. And then we've got some more wood for our wood burner, and all the small branches I can use for our dry edge.
I won't bother you any longer.
No, thank
Well,
you.
actually we want to eat, so
Already?
yeah.
Oh, then I'll come with you.
Okay.
What do we have here?
Well, we're tiling, but the walls are a bit off.
Yeah, not very straight.
No, so we need a lot more glue, and it's just a lot of trying and then the tile on and then off again and then more glue, and so it just takes a bit more time, but that's
Yeah.
okay. What do you have?
I've bought some
You
fence.
spent money again.
Yeah, I've spent a lot of money. This morning when I did my walk, I found out, I think a rue deer chewed on one of the trees.
Oh no.
Yeah. So I have to protect them now.
Okay, so you're going to fence it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this was a hazelnut tree, so I'm not... Yeah, it's a shame, but it's not a disaster. But I don't want the fruit trees to be chewed on.
No.
So I'm going to fence them.
Okay.
So you're back from your air quotes short walk?
Yeah, when I left I thought I'm going to do a small walk with the dogs, but that turned into a 7-kilometer long walk through the forest and through the mud and everything.
Okay.
But I had fun and the dogs had fun, so...
That's the most important.
That's the most important.
Okay.
And in the meanwhile you've been working.
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
Well, I fixed the toilet, so now we can tile it. And now I'm fixing one side of the wall because we made a niche.
Yeah.
Or, well, a place for a shelf.
Yeah.
But it has to be smaller, so I have to glue one part in so that it is smaller.
So that's it for this week.
Yeah, we've done a lot.
Yeah, and I got my present.
I did a lot, but you only played around on your little tractor. Mowing the grass.
I mowed a lot.
Yeah.
It was very hard work. Next week. Yeah, what next week?
Maybe going to continue with the floor of our daughter's room.
Yeah, and the bathroom.
Yeah, and the bathroom.
Yeah. I'm pointing that way because the bathroom is over
But
there.
before we do that, we have to go to the hardware store.
We do have to go to the hardware store.
Yeah.
Well, that's for next week.
Yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to say where you're from, because I love to know that.
Yeah.
We hope to see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.